So good morning one and all present here. Myself Saksham Sharma from class 10 Super 30 Gold Batch, and today I'm here to present my art integrated activity of AI. So let's get started. So in this art integrated activity basically you have to make a calculator or a game using the Python application, and I have used the Python online compiler of Programmist to make myself a calculator which is very functional and very powerful. So let's learn how I made it. So first of all, the first function I added was def add n1 plus n1 comma n2. Over here, def is a function in Python which is used to not only tell but it is used to define a function. And using this, I first added the function of add. So if I run the program over here, you will see the first thing we see over here is add. Similarly, I did the same for subtraction, multiplication, and division. N1, N2, keep in mind these digits over here are the numbers that are going to be inputted in the system. Now you might see that there is this option of select operation 1 to 4. Well, just after these functions, there is an option of printing which gives you the option of selecting either one of these four. Now, for example, if you click one over here, for example, add, you will get to enter the first number, which is a function done by this one, this function over here, and you get to input about two digits maximum over here. So, for example, if I input over here 89, then I have to input a second number to complete the mathematical operation over here. Let's just go 67. And if I click on enter, I will get the result very quickly and very fastly. So basically, the last part of this code not only calculates the mathematical function, then tells you the answer, but it is very fast and can work for a lot of big digits. For example, let's run it again and try it with something a somewhat a bigger number. So let's go, for example, let's go divide. I'm going to select a random number of 879, and let's divide it by 7. We not only get the value, proper value, but we get the decimal value as well. Doesn't matter if it is terminating or not. So this is the calculator that I have made for my art integrated activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.